बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas, signing in, and I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful DIY wreath ideas. These are super amazing and very unique flower wreath design for you guys. I love to make these type of wreath design for my home decor, and I also enjoy these type of videos. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very pretty wreath ideas for you guys. These are super incredible and very classy wreath ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you are doing well, and you can make these wreath design at your homes very easily. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. Follow for more details. These are super incredible and very unique wreath ideas for you guys. So guys, think positive, be positive, and follow for more details. These are super incredible ideas for you guys and super amazing ideas for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very pretty ideas and very pretty collection for you guys. So viewers, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, guys.